Okay, in this next lecture, we're going to be looking at doing a map. And when you're looking at a map, it's not very complicated to do. It goes in order, all right? It always goes in order. And what I mean by that is they're going to do 17 first for bird hide. Then they're going to talk about the dog walking area, then flower garden, then the wooded area. So when you have a map, you have to make sure that you have time. You take the time to really look carefully at the map where things are, because they're going to tell you where these items are, 17 through 20, in relationship to things on the map. So look at things on the map. Like this says refreshments, West Gate, East Gate, right? We have a circle in the middle and we have a lake. So they're going to use those landmarks to tell you where these things are. Okay, so you have to be very good at following. You also have to understand direction language. Up, down, left, right, upper corner, left, bottom corner, right, next to, behind, in front of, on top of. So you have to know that kind of language. So listen carefully and see if you can listen for the right language so you know where things go on the map.
And finally, I'd like to tell you about our new wildlife area, Hinchingbrook Park, which will be opened to the public next month. This slide doesn't really indicate how big it is, but anyway, you can see the two gates into the park and the main paths. As you can see, there's a lake in the northwest of the park with a bird hide to the west of it at the end of a path. So it'll be a nice, quiet place for watching the birds on the lake. Fairly close to where refreshments are available, there's a dog walking area in the southern part of the park, leading off from the path. And if you just want to sit and relax, you can go to the flower garden. That's the circular area on the map, surrounded by paths. And finally, there's a wooded area in the western section of the park, between two paths. Okay, that's enough from me, so let's get on.
Okay, so our correct answers were for number 17, for bird hide, it was A. Because they said it was on the west, it was west of the lake. Here's the lake. Where's the west? West of the lake at the end of the path. That means the answer is A. West of the lake at the end of the path. These are path. These white lines are called a path, right? Where you walk. End of the lake, west of the lake, end of the path, right? So that's where that goes right there. Number 18 was I, because they talked about the refreshments. They said the dog walking area was next to the refreshments, and where's there? That the correct answer would be I. For number F, they said the flower garden was in the circular area. That means the answer must be F, right? Flower garden is in the circular area. And number 20, the wooded area is near the west gate, between two paths. Here's one path, here's the other path. What's in between? E. Okay, so the correct answers were A, I, F, E. A, I, F, E. All right, you just have to be able to follow the path, follow where things are so that you can know where to go. All right, so let's go ahead and do another map so you can maybe get a little bit more comfortable with how to do them.